Happy Holi to all of you. Holi week is here. Holi is a total vibe and we all want to enjoy Holi, but we are definitely scared that it is going to damage our skin or hair. So if you are worried, if you want to know how to take care of your skin and hair in the best way, then this video is for you. Watch till the end. Now this is going to be your pre-Holi skincare or hair care. These you are going to think of way beforehand, you're going to plan and you're going to do before you start or before you go for playing Holi. First and foremost, stick to natural organic Holi colors, the ones that you are buying. If you're playing in a close circle with just your friends and family, then I think you can follow this. But if you're playing in a huge crowd, in that case, keep listening for the tips and tricks to save yourself. We are going to cover what to wear. Yes, all of us must be thinking what to wear for Holi way ahead of Holi. To save your skin from any kinds of rashes or acne breakout, you need to wear cotton. 100% cotton clothes will not give you any kind of rashes or breakouts on your skin once they get mixed with the colors, whether the permanent ones or gulal. So make sure you wear cotton. To prevent sun exposure of your skin, you may also go for full sleeve cotton tops or kurtis. Of course, you can wear white. A plain white clothes will be best because they can be easily bleached and you can get the color back. Since it's gonna be really sunny outside, do take care of your eyes by wearing sunglasses. You can opt for cheaper options. There are plenty in the market these days so that you don't have to worry about the glasses getting damaged with color. Now perfume, make sure you wear a non-alcoholic, underarm roll-on, so that once again when you play in the sun and with all that heat and sweating, you do not get any breakouts in your underarms. Also, sometimes the chemical present in the Holi powder might react with the perfume to give you a rash. Now, I have very sensitive skin, so since years and years, I have been using this deodorant from Nivea. It has 0% alcohol, so it does not give me any redness and it feels very fresh. So you can try this or any other roll-on or deodorant which you know is safe to use, preferably alcohol-free and aluminum-free. Items, you can go for a scarf to get minimal exposure of the colors on the scalp, so you can wear a stylish scarf in a stylish way. That's a clever trick to save your hair. Since it's going to be really hot and sunny and if you're going to stay outside for longer periods of time, do make sure you are very well hydrated. And I just don't mean like water. Take a lot of lassi and buttermilk and do this not just after going in the sun but before also, and in fact start doing it right away. Do not go to play Holi on an empty stomach because more people are more prone to heat strokes and sunstrokes, so take care of that. In preparation for Holi, you are going to keep eye drops handy, or you can also use 100% pure rose water drops or rose water spray, whatever is available to you. Why eye drops? Because some of us may have allergic reactions. You can in advance consult your eye doctor, eye specialist, and then get an eye drop for yourself. This is just a reminder of what all you might have faced in the past. So when you're preparing, make sure you keep the eye drops handy so that if in case any color goes in your eyes, then and there you can treat it. Our skin, what we are going to do is before we go down to play, first we are going to start by rubbing some ice cubes on our skin. Now you should not apply ice cubes directly like raw ice cubes, no. So you're going to wrap it around a cloth, a thin layer of cloth or a handkerchief, and take a good 10-15 minutes and keep applying the ice all over your face and your neck, mainly on your T-zone. If you have oily skin or combination skin, keep applying it. Now what this is going to do is this is going to shrink your pores so that minimal color, whether someone is playing with permanent colors or gulal, minimal colors are entering your pore. It keeps your skin safe. The colors tend to make our skin very dry, so you are going to moisturize your skin very well. Wash your skin off with a gentle face cleanser, then moisturize it well with your choice of moisturizer, preferably an oil-free one because you're going to sweat a lot out in the sun, and then layer it well with your sunscreen with a minimum SPF of 50. Make sure you do that to avoid sun damage to your skin, and also it forms a good layer over your skin so that the colors do not affect your skin directly, and it makes it easier to wash them off later. If you are not a fan of moisturizers, you can also go for aloe vera gel. It helps keep it calm as well as moisturized. For those of you wearing makeup, it is definitely another added layer of protection, especially if your makeup has SPF 2. Also for your lips, do apply some good lip balm. If you're not applying any lipstick, make sure your lips are hydrated so that when we are playing Holi, it tends to dry up our skin, lips get cracked, and the color will settle in the cracks of your lips. You can apply Vaseline on your eyebrows as well as on your ears and inside your ears, because often if you are playing we tend to see the colors settling inside the ears and that is really tough to take out. So as a protective layer you can apply Vaseline. Sometimes we pour buckets and buckets of colored water or color on people to save your body from that, or if you're sensitive, you have sensitive skin or you're allergic, all the cuts and creases wherever the colors tend to settle down, there you can apply a layer of oil, any light oil of your choice. You can go with coconut oil is best because coconut oil is really good for the skin. If you do not like the feeling of oil, then you can go for aloe vera gel. This part of your hand, the folds of your hand, the back of your knees and your armpits also, you can layer them with aloe vera gel. Now for your nails, colors settling on the nails does not look good and does not feel good. It really dries up our cuticle. So you can definitely apply nail paint, a dark color nail paint on your nail, or you can go for a clear nail paint or a nail hardener for that matter. And to protect the inside of the nail, there also you can apply some nail paint, followed by application of castor oil, because I feel castor oil is best to protect our cuticles. It's thick and it gives that extra shine. Whether you're playing Holi or not, it's good either ways. You can apply that on your cuticles. That is going to add some protection for your nails. Now for your hair, first and foremost, if you have long hair, try to tie your hair tightly, covering your scalp. Like without this partition you're going to tie, you can braid your hair one single braid, a tight braid, so that least amount of color penetrates your hair and goes into the scalp. जितना बाल खुला रखेंगे उतने ज़्यादा colors आपके scalp में जाएंगे. So make sure you tie your hair. To protect your scalp, do apply oil on your hair. You can apply Bhringraj oil, or you can go for a light non-sticky oil like the Bajaj almond drops. I like this oil when I don't want stickiness in my hair. If I'm applying it for a longer duration, this is a very good choice. That's for your roots and scalp. And for your the length of your hair, you can always go with the serum, but you have to layer it up. You have to really layer up with the serum to protect your strands. I always prefer L'Oreal Extraordinary Serum for my hair. Yeah, and since you're going to spend a lot of time out in the sun, you need to protect your hair from sun damage. For that, you can apply a heat protectant on your hair. It could be any heat protectant that you're using normally for heat styling, or if you don't have a heat protectant, I think the L'Oreal serum or any other serum will serve the purpose, but just that you have to layer it up very well. Now once again, if you are that person who does not like the feeling of oil, then you can also apply aloe vera gel and layer your scalp with aloe vera gel too. Since something is better than nothing, that also helps. And last of all, it can be a trick. Like I do that sometimes. Like if you don't want the wrong chemicals, the wrong kind of color on your face, before you step out to play, you can yourself put a lot of organic, good, clean, holy color on your face, cover it well so that there is no space left for anybody to put it on your face, and then they will go for your neck and hand instead. So at least that way your face is safe, or even if they're applying it on your face, you already have a good layer of organic holy color on your face. You can try it and see if it works for you. I think it's a smart hack. Now I'm going to tell you how to do your post-Holi skincare. First and foremost, if you have a lot of gulal on your face and body, you are going to dry dust it off. Do not apply water at once. First dry dust off everything, then take a clean cotton pad and wipe off the extra whatever is remaining. I'm going to tell you specifically for your face. You can repeat the same thing for any part of your skin if the color is there. You're going to dry dust off, and then you're going to apply a cleansing oil to your face. If you don't have cleansing oil, coconut oil will also do. So you're going to apply some coconut oil, rub it gently, and then you're going to wash your face with a foaming face cleanser. Why foaming? Because a foaming face cleanser is going to take out maximum impurities. They're going to clean your pores. So that's what you're going to do. After cleaning your face, if there is still some more color left, then you can apply some micellar water and rub off whatever color is there. But I'm not going to tell you to use the micellar water at the beginning because it might irritate your skin. Too much rubbing will also not do any good for your skin. So this is how we are going to proceed. For hair, you're going to dust off all the dry gulal that is there at first, and then you're going to wash it off with plain water. After that, you're going to apply a gentle cleanser. Why gentle? Because already the dry heat, the sun, the holy colors are going to make your hair really dry. So the first wash you're going to do with a very gentle cleanser. In case you see that the color is still not going from your scalp and it is kind of permanent color, then you can do this DIY, make this DIY at home. You can take some curd, some lemon juice in it, and add some coconut oil to it. Make a mixture and then apply it to your cleaned scalp and hair. Cleaned means you can just wash it off with water and then apply it, and after applying you have to wait for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes you can wash off the pack, and then you can use shampoo to clean your hair. I'm sure it will get rid of all the color that's there in your hair. If after cleaning you feel some irritation or some burning sensation, you can definitely apply a cooling gel over there. Cooling as in you can apply aloe vera gel or any Fika gel if you have that at your home. If not, then try doing a cold compress. Like take a clean cloth, apply some ice on it, and then gently you have to press that area wherever you feel burning sensation. If it still does not reduce, then you should consult your dermatologist immediately. Once your face cleansing is done, you're going to apply a gentle moisturizer. Any oil-free moisturizer or a gel-based moisturizer will do, and you're going to hydrate your skin. You're going to drink lots and lots of water, and you're going to hydrate your hair by putting some serum or a light non-sticky hair oil, and that should do the trick. I hope you liked my video. Thank you so much for watching this, and do let me know in the comment section if I have missed out on any points. And if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. That's all from me. Have a safe and fun-filled Holi. Bye bye. Take care.